Hello, Anthony Fasano here from Pass the PE Exam. In our previous 4 videos in this series, I discussed 4 of the depth areas that you can take for your civil PE exam: geotechnical, construction, structural, and transportation. And in this week's video, I will be reviewing in detail the civil water resources and environmental depth portion of the PE exam to help you decide if this might be the right section for you. You can find links to the first 4 videos in the series in the description below. This video is brought to you by PPI, a leader in engineering exam prep for the FE and PE exams since 1975.
PPI provides expert prep courses and study resources designed to help you pass the PE exam the first time. PPI's live online courses include hours of lectures, problem-solving demonstrations, exam strategy sessions, office hours, and a passing guarantee. When you take a live online course, PPI guarantees you will pass, or you can take the on-demand course for free. With study guides, practice exams, and more, the PPI Learning Hub offers digital practice and review that you can take with you anywhere you have a device so that you can prepare during the times most convenient for you. Check out PPI today at ppi2pass.com to see all the options available for PE exam prep. Let's dive in.
There are 5 different areas that you can choose from when taking the PE Civil exam, which are PE Civil Geotechnical, PE Civil Construction, PE Civil Structural, PE Civil Transportation, and PE Civil Water Resources and Environmental, which we are reviewing today. Now remember that the PE Water Resources and Environmental exam is a breadth and depth examination. The breadth items, typically known as the morning section, cover topics from all areas of civil engineering. However, the depth items, also known as the afternoon section, focus more closely on a single area of practice, for example, water resources and environmental. What is water resources and environmental engineering? Water resources engineering is concerned with the collection and management of water as a natural resource. It therefore combines hydrology, environmental science, meteorology, geology conservation, and resource management. This area of civil engineering relates to the prediction and management of the quality and quantity of water in both underground and above ground sources, such as aquifers, lakes, rivers, and streams. Water resource engineers analyze and model areas of the earth ranging from the very small to the very large to predict the amount and content of water as it flows into, through, or out of a facility. The actual design of the facility may be left to other engineers. Here are a few things to note about the Civil Water Resources and Environmental Engineering CBT or computer-based PE exam. The exam includes 80 questions. The exam appointment time is 9 hours and includes a non-disclosure agreement, which takes about 2 minutes, a tutorial for 8 minutes, the exam, which is 8 hours, and a scheduled break for 50 minutes. What topics can you expect to see on this exam? The following examples of the knowledge areas are not exclusive or exhaustive, but this is what you can expect to see in this exam. Project planning, such as quantity takeoff methods, cost estimating, and project schedules. Means and methods, such as construction loads, construction methods, and temporary structures and facilities. Soil mechanics, such as lateral earth pressure, soil consolidation, effective and total stresses. Structural mechanics, such as dead and live loads, trusses, bending, for example, moments and stresses, and shear. Hydraulics and hydrology, such as open channel flow, and stormwater collection and drainage. Geometrics, such as basic circular curve elements, for example, middle ordinate, length, chord, radius, and basic vertical curve elements. Materials, such as soil classification and boring log interpretation. Soil properties, for example, strength, permeability, compressibility, phase relationships. And concrete, for example, non-reinforced and reinforced. Site development, such as excavation and embankment, also known as cut and fill. construction site layout and control, and temporary and permanent soil and erosion and sediment control. Analysis and design, such as mass balance, hydraulic loading, solids loading, and hydraulic flow measurement. You can see how detailed this gets. Hydraulics, closed conduit, such as energy and or continuity equation, pressure conduit, pump application and analysis, and pipe network analysis. Hydraulics, open channel, such as open channel flow, hydraulic energy dissipation, stormwater collection and drainage, and sub and supercritical flow. Hydrology, such as storm characteristics, runoff analysis, hydrograph development and applications, rainfall intensity duration, and frequency and stormwater management. Man, I'm having flashbacks of mega spreadsheets when I was in college. Groundwater and wells, such as aquifers, groundwater flow, and well analysis, steady state. Wastewater collection and treatment, such as wastewater collection systems, wastewater treatment processes, wastewater flow rates, and nitrification and gentrification. Water quality, such as stream degradation, oxygen dynamics, total maximum daily load, and biological contaminants. Drinking water distribution and treatment, such as drinking water distribution systems, drinking water treatment processes, demands and storage for drinking water, and engineering economics analysis. Still not sure if this is the right exam for you? Well, let's look at the passing rates for the Civil Water Resources and Environmental Engineering CBT exam. As of December 2021, the PE Water Resources and Environmental Engineering depth has a 67% pass rate for first-time takers and a 44% pass rate for repeat takers. You can view the full list of pass rates on the NCEES website. Now, let's compare them to the PE Civil Geotechnical, Construction, Structural Depth, and Transportation exams that we discussed in the previous 4 videos. The Construction Depth exam had a 53% pass rate for first-time takers and a 37% pass rate for repeat takers. The Geotechnical Depth portion had a 54% pass rate for first-time takers and a 30% pass rate for repeat takers. The Structural Depth exam had a 62% pass rate for first-time takers and a 42% pass rate for repeat takers. The Transportation Depth had a 63% pass rate for first-time takers and a 41% pass rate for repeat takers. So you can see the PE Water Resources and Environmental Engineering exam had the highest pass rate at 67% for first-time takers. Hopefully this information will give you a better idea of what to expect on the PE Civil Water Resources and Environmental Engineering computer-based PE exam. Remember to consider your experience and interests and check those passing rates when deciding what depth section you want to take for your Civil PE exam. Lastly, I would strongly recommend that you preview the exam by taking some exam prep courses that offer a variety of maybe live and on-demand classes. Looking at previews of practice exams for each of these disciplines might help you determine which exam best suits your strengths. For some great prep courses, visit our sponsor's website, PPI, at PPI2pass.com to see all the options available for PE exam prep. I hope that you found this review helpful and that you really enjoyed this series. You can find all of the videos in our playlist right here on YouTube called Civil Engineering Disciplines. In upcoming videos, I will solve some more PE exam practice problems and answer other questions from our subscribers. And if you have any questions, fire away in the comments and I will respond to you. I'll see you next week on Pass the PE Exam.